Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add LUTs in CapCut PC, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enhance your videos with stunning professional color grading. No extra plugins needed. Whether you're editing travel footage, vlogs, or anything in between, mastering LUTs is the secret to instantly making your visuals pop and stand out. So let's dive in. It's easier than you might think. First things first, you need to have your video clip already added to the timeline in CapCut. If you're new to CapCut or editing in general, your timeline is simply where you organize and work with your clips. It's like the main workspace where the magic happens. So go ahead and pull your video down into the timeline. This step is crucial because you can't apply effects like LUTs unless the video is actively sitting in your editing workspace. Now, once your clip is in place, look up at the top menu options in CapCut. You'll want to find the Adjustments setting. Adjustments are where you'll find all sorts of tools for tweaking the color, brightness, contrast, and overall feel of your footage. This is essentially the control room for how your video looks, almost like adjusting the seasoning in a recipe to get that perfect flavor. Here's where the magic really happens. Within the Adjustments panel, you'll see an option labeled LUT. If you're not familiar with LUTs, let me break it down for you. LUT stands for Lookup Table. In CapCut, a LUT is basically a simple file that transforms the colors in your video in a specific way. Think of a LUT as a kind of Instagram filter, but much more powerful and customizable. It takes the incoming color information from your footage and looks up what new color values it should output, based on a predefined set of rules. For example, a cinematic LUT might mute certain colors, boost others, and give your video that blockbuster movie feel. It's the fastest way to create a consistent professional vibe across all your clips. Now, to add your own LUT, you'll see an option to import. Go ahead and click that. You might have downloaded a LUT file from the internet, maybe as a cube file or something similar. CapCut can work with those. Just browse your files to select the LUT you want. Take your time here. If you have a few different LUTs, you can experiment with them and see which one fits your project best. Once you select and import your LUT, it will instantly apply the color grading to your video preview. Don't worry if it looks dramatic at first. You can always tweak the intensity or try different options. Importing a LUT doesn't overwrite or damage your original footage, so don't be afraid to play around. In fact, adjusting LUTs is a great way to learn about color grading and discover exactly what kind of visual style you love. If you find the look too strong or too subtle, CapCut gives you a slider to adjust the effect to your taste, like turning up or down the volume. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully added a LUT in CapCut PC. And your video is now color graded with a professional touch. Remember, using LUTs isn't cheating. It's how the pros keep their projects looking consistent and beautiful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific LUT style you'd like to learn about next. Subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step editing tutorials, and happy editing.